Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, I am Himanshu Sharma working in TCS with more than 3 years of experience. Today I want to share a significant milestone in my career journey. I am on the brink of completing TCS Elevate Wings 1 program and convert into Innovator Cadre. As of now, I have successfully completed almost 4 out of the 5 tracks required for this program, and I'm really excited to give you a glimpse into my journey. If you are a fellow TCS associate or someone considering taking on similar professional development challenge, this video is for you. I will be providing recent SOP changes in Wings 1 program and along with that some insights and tips based on my experience so far. But before we dive into the details, if you find this content valuable or if you are looking for guidance on career growth, professional development, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the future updates. In this video, we will first discuss how you can keep an eye on your Wings 1 journey and also the course ID that you should look for. We will discuss the eligibility criteria and recent SOP changes also. Then we will separately discuss learning path for all the associates like Smart, Ninja and Digital. Then I will also explain about the appraisal process and the relevance that it holds in context of your Wings 1 journey. Then finally, I will conclude the video with few tips and tricks. Now let's move to the first part of the video. Here in TCS, if you are recruited as Smart or Ninja Associate or Digital Associate, then you can track your progress by going to iWall and on the top right corner click on Dashboard tab. There you will see the page like the one on the screen. Also, to start learning or to be eligible for taking Wings 1 exam, you need to search in the iWall for the course ID as 15205 or 15206 if you are from IT or ITIS stream. And you are eligible to take Wings 1 program until you are promoted to C2 grade or IT analyst designation. Also, if you are no more a fresher, that means if you are completed at least one appraisal process in TCS, then you must have at least 4 rating or B band to remain eligible for Wings 1 process. There is one more key point which has been recently modified in Wings 1 SOP. It's that now no one can take the exam after self-declaration. Earlier it was allowed, so from now on you need to complete the learning prerequisite first and then you can appear for the exam. Further, Wings 1 happen thrice a year in May, August or November month. But it's not necessary that this will happen always, because in the year 2022, August exam cycle was missed. Talking about the learning module, you can see the list. Apart from technology, business, articulation tracks, there we also have process track as well. So to be eligible for becoming Innovator Associate, all these tracks needs to be completed with distinction. Okay, so distinction means more than 70% marks and pass means more than 55 marks here in TCS. Apart from these 4 track list, in the 5th track you can choose any of these tracks as shown on this screen. Core Programming track or Unit Elective Certification or Core Tech track. For Core Programming track, technology includes languages like Java, Angular, Python. And for Unit Electives, you need to discuss with your talent development lead. Firstly, I will explain latest SOP changes. After that, I will briefly explain about the Wings 1 process for all TCS associates. First change in the SOP is that GEMS will not be awarded for clearing articulation track as it's now considered as foundational course for Wings 1. Second change is that result for each track will be shown as grades. Earlier, they used to show as marks. Final change is that they have removed self-declaration for appearing in exam. Note guys, cutoff date for November cycle is 30th September 2023. So hurry up. Moving further, I will briefly describe the learning modules for Ninja and Smart associates. Then I will explain for Digital associates as well. So for Ninja and Smart Cadre employees, you need to have at least 55 passing marks for articulation track. Apart from this, 2 distinction or 1 distinction and 1 pass will be needed in any of these tracks that you can see on the screen. I know it could be a little complicated for you to comprehend this, but I will give you the example. Suppose if you have passed foundational course, that is articulation track, which is a prerequisite, then you have couple of options. In first option, if you pick core full stack technology track, anyone from T1 to T7, or core programming track like Java, Angular, Python, then that track should be distinction. If you select second track option also from core full stack technology track, that is anyone from T1 to T7, then in that case the pass would be enough to become digital cadre associates. So basically here one pass and one distinction is enough. Coming to the other scenario, if you already have distinction in the first track as mentioned before, then second track could be any non-technology track like process or business track, or even if you opt for a unit elective, then in that scenario as well, second track should also be distinction. So here in this option, both tracks should be distinction. Hope it's clear for you all. Now moving to the digital cadre part, there are basically two ways one can become a digital cadre in TCS. One through direct recruitment, and the other way is by clearing Wings 1, two tracks that I've explained just now. Now coming to the actual question, how digital associates can be promoted to innovator cadre associate. Here they need to complete all these 5 tracks with distinction that you can see on the screen. And to be frank, these 5 tracks contain 7 exams, because core full stack technology track has separate exam for MCQ. Then after clearing MCQ exam, you can appear for hands-on, and finally after passing hands-on, you are required to clear the Innovator Coding Challenge with distinction. So that's how total of 7 exams need to be passed with 70 plus marks. Moving further, lot of people have doubt related to the appraisal bands or final anniversary rating in context of Wings 1 program. You can read the information shown on the screen, but I will summarize this for you. Suppose if you have qualified for either digital cadre or innovator cadre, that means each month the amount which was incremented will be added to your monthly salary component. But assume a person has been allotted a C band, then in this case his increment or incentive will be paused, not stopped guys. And then that person should focus on improving his band in next appraisal cycle. Suppose he or she is allotted B or A band next time, then awesome guys, their increment will be resumed. But in case if again C band is allotted to the same person, then all your progress in the Wings 1 will be reset, and you will have to start Wings 1 process from the scratch and pass each exam like I have explained earlier. Also taking one more case, suppose if you are getting the incentive as per Wings 1 reward rules, then assume during the appraisal time you are allotted D band, then that will also reset all your Wings 1 hard work. So here also you need to start from the basic first step and clear all the Wings 1 exam and improve your appraisal band in the next appraisal process. Now coming to my experience so far, guys, it has taken me almost 1 year to complete these 4 tracks successfully. And I have given just couple of weeks before the actual exam to prepare for these tracks. Moreover, I have just core programming track and innovator coding challenge remaining. So far I have received no incentives apart from few gems. And if you personally ask me which are the easy tracks, then surely business and articulation tracks are the easy one. Process track is somewhat difficult, and technology track you yourself can analyze better. I have uploaded a separate video related to technology track, and I will share the link for the same in video description as well. You can refer to that for better understanding in core technology track. That's all for this video. In case of any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. Till then, prepare well and all the best to you all. Goodbye, take care.